Today, I'll show you how to delete calendars in Google Calendar. Whether you're cleaning up old test calendars, removing duplicates, or just trying to simplify what you see every day, this walkthrough will take you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the calendar you want to delete. If you use multiple accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner so you don't accidentally work in the wrong one. Once the page loads, you'll see your main calendar view in the middle with a list of calendars on the left side. On that left side, look for the section called My Calendars. This is where all the calendars you own are listed, such as your primary calendar, work calendars, or any custom calendars you've created. If you don't immediately see them, you might need to hover your mouse over My Calendars or click a small arrow to expand the list. Next, find the specific calendar you want to delete. Hover your mouse over its name and you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear to the right. This 3-dot icon is the More Options menu for that calendar, and it's the key to getting into its settings. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will open a new page dedicated to that calendar's settings, where you can change its name, sharing options, notifications, and more. We're going to focus on the delete option. On the settings page, you'll see different sections as you scroll. Look for the section labeled Delete Calendar. It's usually on the left side of the page in the navigation menu, or you may see a Remove Calendar area on the main part of the page. Click on Delete Calendar. This doesn't delete it immediately, it just opens the confirmation area. Now scroll down if needed until you see the final delete option. There will be a button that confirms you really want to delete this calendar. Click that delete button. Google may show a warning explaining that this action is permanent and that all events on this calendar will be removed. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the correct calendar, then confirm when you're ready. Once you confirm, the calendar will be permanently deleted from your account and it will disappear from the My Calendars list. If you don't want to delete a calendar in the future, but just hide it temporarily, remember you can simply uncheck its box in the list instead of going through the delete steps.